First, upon receiving the product, conduct an exterior inspection, verify screw integrity and screen condition, check for missing screws or screen damage. Proceed to next step after confirming no defects. Proceed to wiring operations. This is the main battery. This is the auxiliary battery. Commence wiring procedure. First, identify the positive, negative terminals on the vehicle charger's input port. Caution, terminal polarity must be correctly matched. Connect the main battery to the vehicle charger. The device will auto-activate upon successful main battery connection. The main screen will display the startup delay interface. Default delay setting 60 seconds. Adjustable via settings menu if shorter delay is preferred. Recommendation: maintain extended delay duration. This ensures DC generator output stabilization prior to auxiliary battery charging. Now entering main operation interface. Input voltage displays 13.1 volts, main battery voltage. Then adjust output voltage according to auxiliary battery specification. Long press set button 3 starts to access configuration menu. 3 parameters require configuration in this interface: output voltage, stop voltage, start voltage. Maximum current parameter remains at default peak value, no adjustment needed. Configure start voltages based on main battery voltage level. For 12 volts main batteries, use preset defaults. Shutdown voltage 12 volts default. Startup voltage 13 volts default. For 24 volts systems configure shutdown voltage 24 volts. Startup voltage 26 volts. Custom parameters available for special requirements. Refer to display interface and key functions in user manual. Critical notice: output voltage configuration. Output voltage must match auxiliary battery specification. Different values apply for lead-acid, LiFePO4, and MC lithium batteries. Example: 12 volts LiFePO for battery configuration. Charging voltage requirement 14.6 volts. Set output voltage to 14.6 volts accordingly. Post-configuration sequence confirm gives return to main interface. Caution: connect auxiliary battery only after output stabilizes at target voltage, e.g. 14.6 volts. Stabilization period ranges from seconds to minutes. Duration depends on initial target voltage differential. Larger voltage gaps require longer stabilization. Warning: premature connection causes charging abnormalities. Never pre-connect auxiliary battery before voltage stabilization. Output stabilized at 14.6 volts. Proceed to auxiliary battery connection. Warning: reverse polarity connection will cause device damage. Use is greater than or equal to for AWG cables with fully tightened terminals. High current application. System activation begins upon successful connection. Initial output may display lower voltage, e.g. 13.7 volts. This reflects auxiliary battery's state of charge source. Voltage will rise to 14.6 volts at full charge. Output current reading approx 48 amps. Current intensity inversely correlates with battery SOC. Device capacity 6 max 12 volts auxiliary systems. Theoretical maximum 60 amps 12 volts. 24 volts system capacity 30 amps maximum. 48 volts system capacity 15 amps maximum. Prohibited output voltage adjustment during active charging. Configuration reset procedure: disconnect auxiliary battery, reconfigure output voltage, reconnect after stabilization.